Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Frost King is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a well-maintained home, especially when it comes to managing rainwater and preventing potential water damage to your foundation and landscaping. This seemingly simple device plays a crucial role in directing water away from your home's vulnerable areas, ensuring that your property remains dry and protected throughout the year, regardless of the weather conditions. Its effectiveness in diverting water can save you from costly repairs and maintain the structural integrity of your home. Number 5. PLUSGUTTER White 2-Pack Rain Gutter Downspout Extensions. Introducing our patented downspout extensions, designed for ultimate flexibility and durability. Made from thickened PE material, they are built to last and withstand various conditions. These extenders feature an upgraded design with multiple adapter sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for most downspouts. Enjoy versatile installation options for different scenarios. Easily extendable from 21 to 68 inches, they effectively protect your home's foundation from water damage. They are also perfect for irrigating your garden. Experience excellent performance in any weather. They are flexible, easy to bend, and resistant to freezing and sun exposure without cracking. Each pack includes 2 extenders, 4 adapters, and screws for secure installation. We also offer 24/7 customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This extender boasts patented designs and thickened, sturdy material, capable of withstanding significant weight. If you need a robust solution that can even be buried or withstand harsh outdoor conditions, this is a great choice. Its flexibility and adapter sizes also makes it adaptable to various downspout configurations. What people say. It is a good product that does exactly what it is supposed to do. It is a good product that does exactly what it is supposed to do. Number 4. 2-Pack Rain Gutter Downspout Extensions, White. Keep your home's foundation safe from water damage. Our extensions effectively divert rainwater away, ensuring your peace of mind. Need more reach? These extensions easily adjust from 21 to 60 inches, providing the perfect length for any situation. Easily shape them to fit your needs. They work perfectly with 2x3, 3x3, and 4x3 inch downspouts. Setting them up is a breeze. With included screws, you can securely attach them to prevent any slipping. Made from durable, heavy-duty plastic, these extensions are built to withstand harsh weather and even underground burial. They won't tear, crack, or crease. We're committed to providing you with the best. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist. What we like. Featuring a split design for easy extension and made from heavy-duty plastic, this option is built for durability and foundation protection. If you're looking for a reliable way to divert water away from your home's base and want a product that won't easily tear or crack, this is a solid pick. It's also flexible and easy to shape. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively directs water away from the foundation. The flexible material allows for easy shaping and connection. Number 3. WholesalePlumbing Supply FD 85014 Downspout Extension. Protect your home's foundation from unwanted stormwater. This extension helps divert water away effectively. It's designed to fit most standard downspouts, including both 2x3 inch and 3x4 inch sizes. Its flexible, corrugated design allows you to easily bend it, bury it, or connect it as needed. It holds its shape for lasting use. You can extend it from 25 to 55 inches, giving you the perfect length for your specific needs. Choose from a variety of colors to seamlessly match your home's exterior for a cohesive look. Constructed from durable vinyl, this extension is built to withstand the elements and provide reliable performance. What we like. This extender offers the unique advantage of color coordination to match your home's exterior, alongside fitting most downspouts. If aesthetics are important to you and you want a solution that blends in while effectively diverting water, this is an excellent option. Its corrugated design also allows for burying and bending. What people say. It is a good product and it works. It is a good product and it works. It is a good product and it works. Number 2. LOSTRONAUT Downspout Splash Block and Rain Gutter Extender, 4-pack. Protect your home's foundation and landscape from damaging rainwater. Avoid costly repairs with this essential downspout accessory. Designed in a natural brown color, it blends seamlessly with your home's aesthetics. Enjoy both functionality and a natural look. Crafted from high-quality thermoplastic, it's built to withstand any weather. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and position. With generous dimensions, it fits comfortably in various spaces. This water block is an ideal attachment for any downspout or gutter. Installation is a breeze with the included stakes. Secure each piece firmly into the ground for reliable water diversion. What we like. With its integrated splash block design and realistic brown aesthetic, this product focuses on both functionality and blending into your landscape. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-install solution that also helps protect your foundation and landscape, and you appreciate a more natural look, this 4-pack with stakes is ideal. What people say. It is very durable and can withstand the elements. The extender is easy to install and fits perfectly onto the existing downspout. It effectively directs water away from the foundation, preventing potential water damage. Number 1. Frost King DE46BR Automatic Drain Away Downspout Extender. Setting up this downspout extension is a breeze. It attaches quickly to most standard gutters without needing any tools, making it simple to protect your foundation. Crafted from sturdy plastic, it's designed to endure harsh weather conditions. You can rely on its durable construction through heavy rain and sun for long-lasting performance. This extender effectively channels water further away from your home. It helps prevent soil erosion and protects your landscaping by guiding runoff to safer areas. Its low-profile, flat design blends seamlessly with your home's exterior. The brown color complements common gutter systems for a cohesive look. Designed to fit most standard gutter downspout sizes, it's perfect for various drainage needs. Use it for seasonal adjustments or as a permanent solution. What we like. This extender offers an automatic function with a low-profile design for a discreet appearance and incredibly easy, no-tool installation. If you prioritize simplicity and convenience, and want a quick way to direct water away from your foundation without any fuss, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward, effective solution. What people say. The extender is flexible and can be bent to fit around corners. It effectively diverts water away from the foundation, preventing water damage. The durable material withstands outdoor elements and lasts for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.